Hello everyone, myself Monica Gupta. So I'm going to describe a question, a problem based on limiting reagent and balancing the equation based question it is. Now let us move to the question which is being asked from chemistry. So here the question states that 2.4 gram of magnesium, pure magnesium, whose atomic mass is 24, is dropped in 100 ml of 1 molar HCl. So calculate the mole, which statement is wrong. So we have to calculate the limiting reagent also, we have to calculate the magnesium left also, and hydrogen produced also. Then only we can choose one of the wrong statement. So let us solve this. So for solving, let us have the solution now. Solution. Now for solution, very first we need a balanced equation from the problem shared. So the balanced equation is magnesium, that is 1 mole, reacts with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, forming 1 mole of magnesium chloride and 1 mole of hydrogen. Now, for solving, we have to convert the given weight of magnesium into moles. So moles of magnesium, 2.4, which is a given weight upon atomic mass. The moles formula. What is the moles formula? Given weight upon atomic mass. So here it will be 0.1. Now, how many moles of HCl are there? So in the question, it is given 100 ml of 1 molar HCl. So 100 ml, we need to convert into liters. So 1 molar is the molarity. So divided by 1000, we will get the moles. Again, we will get 0.1. So 0.1 mole of HCl is given in the question also. Now, according to the equation which we have written, 1 mole of magnesium needs 2 mole of HCl. So we can say according to the given weight, 0.1 mole needs 2 into 0.1, which is 0.2 mole of HCl. So according to the given weight, what is the 1 mole of magnesium is given? 2.4 grams. So it needs 0.2 mole of HCl. So here, so 0.1 mole needs. So let us convert back. 2 moles of HCl need how much magnesium or how much hydrogen is being produced? So according to the question, 2 moles of HCl produces 1 mole of hydrogen. So 1 mole of HCl produces how much? Half mole of hydrogen, according to the question, unitary method equation. So 0.1 mole of HCl will produce how much hydrogen? So half into 0.1. So amount of hydrogen produced will be 0.05 mole. Hydrogen is being produced. Now let us convert it into liters. So we know that 1 mole, molar volume, 1 mole is equal to 2.4 liter. So 0.05 mole of hydrogen is equal to 22.4 into 0.05, which is equal to 1.12 liters of hydrogen is produced. Now, according to the equation, 2 moles of HCl, 2 moles of HCl needs 1 mole of magnesium. So 1 mole of HCl needs half mole of magnesium. So 0.1, which is the given weight of HCl, 0.1 mole of HCl needs half into 0.1, which is again equal to 0.05 mole of magnesium. So this much is only required and given it 1. So it means HCl is the limiting reagent. HCl is the limiting reagent because magnesium given amount is more and required amount is less. Given amount is 0.1 and required is only 0.05. So HCl is the limiting reagent. That one thing is being solved. So 0.1 mole of magnesium is being given. So how much is left? So leftover amount of magnesium is equal to 0.1 minus 0.05, which is equal to 0.05 moles. Now let us move back to the question and see how many options are wrong. So here the option A is being given that 0.12 liters of hydrogen is produced. Correct. We have just now solved. I can show you also here. Just see, this is the amount of hydrogen produced. So this is a correct statement. Now second statement is 0.01 mole of magnesium is left behind. So that is wrong. Because how much is left behind? 0.05 of magnesium is left behind. So this is wrong. Wrong statement. Third says HCl is limiting reagent. Yes, correct. Because given amount is being completely consumed. So it is a limiting reagent. So this is also correct. And fourth option is none of these, which is not possible. So the correct answer is B. B is a wrong statement. So thanks for sharing the problem. So we'll meet again with the new problem. Thanks. Good day. Take care. Bye.